For thousands of years, Moringa oleifera has been recognized for its medicinal properties. The tree, sometimes known as the horseradish tree, or drumstick tree, is one of the fastest growing trees on the planet. Almost all components of the plant, from the bark, seeds, and root to the leaves and flowers, have a high nutritional value, and have been used in cooking and herbal treatment for thousands of years. Moringa powder is frequently used in smoothies, nutrition bars, and energy drinks, as well as being consumed as tea. It's high in antioxidants and bioactive plant components, which are both good for us. Scientists have only looked just a small portion of the many alleged health benefits so far. Many nutritional value of this plant that is beneficial for our body are not yet discovered, but researchers continue to explore the hidden source of good health of this plant. Here are some of the health benefits of Moringa oleifera. Most of them are supported by scientific research. Moringa has a lot of vitamins and minerals. Moringa leaves are an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals. 1 cup of fresh, chopped leaves contains vitamins A, C, B1, B2, B3, B6 and folate. They are also rich in magnesium, protein, iron, calcium, phosphorus, and zinc. The dried leaves are sold as dietary supplements, either in powder or capsule form. The pods are often lower in vitamins and minerals than the leaves. They are, nevertheless, extraordinarily high in vitamin C. If you can't afford expensive supplements, Moringa is a good alternative. Another thing to remember is that Moringa supplements in capsule form won't provide a lot of nutrients. The leaves and pods is better when properly cooked and served. Moringa is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants have probably been discussed a lot. Few people, however, are not aware of this fact or how antioxidants function. Antioxidants are substances that help to prevent or reduce free radical damage. It helps your body maintain a healthy equilibrium of free radicals. This prevents them from harming other cells. Antioxidants can protect and even reverse some of the damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases including heart disease and type 2 diabetes, can be caused by high quantities of free radicals. Several antioxidant plant compounds have been found in the leaves of Moringa. These include quercetin. This powerful antioxidant may help lower blood pressure. They've been linked to a variety of health benefits, including a lower risk of heart disease, cancer, and degenerative brain diseases. Chlorogenic acid is a type of natural antioxidant found primarily in coffee beans and other plant chemicals. It has been found to aid in weight loss, lower blood pressure, and mood enhancement. Taking 1.5 teaspoons of Moringa leaf powder every day for 3 months, improved blood antioxidant levels in women, according to one study. Moringa lower blood sugar levels. Moringa aids in the regulation of blood glucose levels, lowering the risk of diabetes. Moringa also includes a pigment called chlorogenic acid, which helps to keep blood sugar levels stable after meals. Although there aren't many studies on this benefit, preliminary research appears to be promising. Moringa leaf powder was found to be effective in lowering blood sugar in one study conducted by the experts. In fact, the ladies who took part in the test observed a decline in blood sugar levels. Moringa reduces inflammation. Anti-inflammatory qualities can be found in most entire fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices. However, the amount and type of anti-inflammatory chemicals they contain determine how effective they are. Isothiocyanates, according to scientists, are the principal anti-inflammatory chemicals found in Moringa leaves, pods, and seeds. Many diseases, including cancer, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and autoimmune disorders, are caused by inflammation. The body experiences more inflammation when it is injured or infected. However, research has thus far been restricted to test tube and animal investigations. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties in humans are still undetermined. Moringa can lower cholesterol. Moringa leaves, in addition to oats, flax seeds, and almonds, are an effective way to lower cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a key cause of heart disease, and eating moringa leaves has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels significantly. Moringa has been shown to reduce these levels and protect against heart disease. Both animal and human-based studies have shown that Moringa oleifera may have similar cholesterol-lowering effects. Moringa protect against arsenic toxicity. Arsenic contamination is a problem in many places of the world. Many foods, particularly rice, contain arsenic, which has made its way into our bodies. Long-term exposure to this element has been linked to cancer and heart problems in humans. Moringa leaves have been found in experimental animals to reduce the effects of arsenic toxicity. Protects the liver. Our liver performs the function of detoxification. It filters and removes dangerous chemicals from everything that enters our bodies. Simple words, the liver is responsible for cleaning your blood, aiding digestion, and storing energy. It's also in continuous touch with the rest of the body's organs, especially those that deal with digestion. Moringa has been found in several trials to help in liver healing and prevention. Moringa has been shown in studies to help minimize liver damage, protect against hepatitis, and even prevent liver injury. Moringa leaves are high in nutrients and have anti-inflammatory properties. They're a new superfood because of their antioxidant and cellular health protecting capabilities. They reduce sugar levels and suppress the generation of inflammatory enzymes. For the best health benefits, make these a regular component of your diet on a regular basis. Found the information in this video useful. I hope all of us are in good health. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any decisions. Also, please do me a huge favor and hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for a video like this, look no further. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.